Number 2. Extech EX330. The Extech EX330 is a reliable auto-ranging multimeter that offers a range of advanced functions. One of the standout features of this device is the built-in non-contact AC voltage detector, which is incredibly useful for electrical troubleshooting. You will love the extra-large 4,000 count display, making it easy to read even in dimly lit environments. The multimeter also includes a built-in thermometer with Type K probe, allowing you to easily switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius readings. The max hold function is a great feature that allows you to capture the highest reading. A standout feature of the X330 is the auto-ranging operation, which ensures that you always select the right measurement range. The data hold function is also handy as it allows you to freeze the current display for further analysis. While the EX330 has a lot to offer, one downside is the auto power off function that kicks in after 15 minutes of inactivity. While this is great for battery life, it can be a bit annoying if you're working on a project that requires frequent breaks. Overall, the Extech EX330 is a compact and feature-rich multimeter that is perfect for electrical troubleshooting. If you're in the market for a reliable and versatile tool, be sure to check out the EX330. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.